Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla false forward collision braking at low speeds and discusses documented behavior related to how Tesla forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking systems are designed to operate rather than indicating a confirmed system defect. The issue generally refers to situations where brief braking or braking alerts occur at low speeds even though the driver does not perceive an immediate hazard. This behavior does not occur on every Tesla vehicle and can vary by model, Autopilot hardware generation, software version, and driving environment. Based on verified information, confirmed causes include how the system interprets visual data from cameras to assess closing speed, object trajectory, and potential collision risk. At low speeds, certain scenarios such as cut-in vehicles, parked cars near the driving path, road edge objects, shadows, steep road gradients, or reflective surfaces can momentarily be classified as collision risks. The system is designed to err on the side of caution and may briefly apply braking if it calculates a potential impact. In addition to these verified factors, other potential contributing elements could include rapid changes in relative speed, sensor confidence fluctuations, or temporary perception uncertainty, which may influence braking behavior without indicating a hardware fault. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions are general guidance and not guaranteed. These may include maintaining awareness of system limitations at low speeds, ensuring cameras are clean and unobstructed, reviewing driver assistance settings, and monitoring whether the behavior changes after software updates. Broader trends indicate that low-speed false braking events are often linked to perception edge cases and conservative safety logic rather than mechanical failures, and many vehicles operate as intended outside of these scenarios. In conclusion, Tesla false forward collision braking at low speeds reflects system safety prioritization and perception limits, and its occurrence can differ depending on driving context, software behavior, and environmental conditions. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.